Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to create purchasing info record for material groups. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To create purchasing info record, enter the transaction ME11. Now press enter key, enter your vendor master. Don't enter material master. Now enter purchasing organization. Now press enter key. Here enter short description. Short description I'm going to enter steel sheets. Now enter your material group. My material group is this one. I'm going to enter this material group. Just double click on this or click on right mark. Okay. Now enter your order unit. Here there is no material master, right? So that is the reason we need to enter the unit of measure here manually. I'm going to enter pieces, PC. Okay. Enter search term. Search term I'm going to enter steel. Okay. Now press enter key. Yeah. Now enter planned delivery time. Planned delivery time I'm going to enter 8 days. Okay. Now enter purchasing group. Purchase group I'm going to enter 001. Standard quantity I'm going to enter 50. Okay. Enter tax code. Enter amount. Amount I'm going to enter €3. Okay. Now press enter key. Press enter key. If required, you can enter the text here. Okay. Now press enter key. Click on yes. Yes, my purchase info record is successfully created. Okay. Now I am going to create purchase order. Enter. Transaction code is ME21N. Now press enter key. Enter your vendor master. Press enter key. Yeah. Now just drag right side little bit. We can find the purchase info record field. Here we can enter the purchasing info record. So this field, just paste the copied purchasing info record. Now press enter key. Yes, system copies all the data. Okay. So here we are going to procure for cost center because there is no material. Okay. Hence I am going to enter the cost center. Just enter K. K stands for cost center. I'm going to enter the account assignment K. K stands for cost center. Now press enter key. Yes, enter your plant. Okay, now enter quantity. Quantity I'm going to enter some 10 quantity. Now press enter key. Yes, I'm going to procure this material for cost center. Hence the system expecting cost center. Just enter cost center. Now press enter key. Yes. Now click on check button. Yes. When I click on the check button, system triggers the release strategy tab automatically. Okay. Now I will show it another way how I can create the purchase order. Okay. Now click on no. Enter the as usual data. Now press enter key. First fill all the data. Okay. Enter cost center. Don't enter short description. Enter quantity. I'm going to enter some 20 quantity. Delivery date, unit of measure and net price system automatically copies from purchasing info record. Enter your material group here. My material group is this one. Now enter plant. Now press enter key. Yes, just drag to right side little bit. First enter the cost center. Cost center I'm going to enter 1000. Okay, now press enter key. Yeah, drag to little bit right side. Enter your purchase info record. Now press enter key. Yes, now system brings the data from purchasing info record. Now click on check. There is no errors here. Okay, now click on save. Yes, my purchase order is successfully saved. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.